As long as nobody goes up into those mountains, we should be okay.
Did you get him?
Yeah, no one's up. Alright. You got...
Here we go.
No, it aggroed.
Banish.
It's too late.
Well,
should we just let him die?
Range.
No,
Or
we have aggro.
yeah, we are.
And the Dreadlord.
The Dreadlord ran away though.
Well, we lost like 30 seconds now.
Well, see what you can do.
Yeah, we only lose 10 minutes if we wipe. Might as well try. Give people practice.
Alright, turning it up.
Left.
I got Kurt left.
Blindside Thunder. Man, Chris is fast.
Yeah, he is.
Botting.
Is Chris on disgruntled?
Dropping tide regen.
That spell isn't ready yet.
Cursed. It's good.
39.
He's at 36.
35.
32.
30. You can actually see a vis rate on this.
25.
Dropping tremor or grounding?
Fax has curse. He's really low mana. You gotta get Fax right away.
Cure Fax. Someone has
I got
it.
him.
Coppola has it.
15.
Already gone.
11. Keep it up, guys. 10. Keep it up, guys. 10. 7.
Chain executing for the win.
4.
Come on, guys.
2.
Later, bitch.
Nice, nice,
Yeah.
nice.
Nice.
Thank you. It's all because of me dying.
Yeah!
All because of me dying.
Awesome.
Mace.
Mace.
Holy fuck.
Can we do the screenshot thing again? I like to
Fuck
look
yes. Yeah, we need to do some nice screenshot action here.
Oh fuck.
That's nice loot right there.
Serious
Raising it.
staff. That's a good priest
That
staff.
staff is not bad. Holy shit, that's...
good. Monstrous, dude. Fucking monstrous. That goddamn mace.
Main
is
hand
ridiculous.
mace. That mace is ridiculous.
I know Vulture wants the crystal.
That
Holy
mace. That's
Which
fucking
one?
insane.
The
already have
plus
the
damage
crystal.
offhand.
I already have one.
I wanted the caster ring to drop. There's another crit ring that drops.
That's a big one-handed mace.
That's a nice staff.
That staff is ridiculous. Look
That
at the
is-
DPS on that shit.